Hello Eric DIY viewers! Today we're reviewing the Biolite Campstove 2 wood burning and USB charging camping stove. Now we reviewed a camping stove in the past, however this stove is going to take it to an all new level. It does three things. You could use it to cook like any other camp stove, but this one also includes a unit which charges a battery with thermal electric energy, and it has a USB port to charge any gear. It also has an internal fan that blows air into the flames, which keeps the fire going. It comes with not only the generator but also a camp stove light that will plug into the USB adapter, so that way we have some light out there when we're cooking stuff. Inside the package we have a lot of things. We have a carry bag compression sack, you have a warranty registration card, you have a Biolite advertising media thing there. They also include fire starters. It has a micro USB to USB adapter. It also has a USB light, which is going to be great, especially for us because we're in the afternoon here and we might need to use that. They have the main generator here, and if you see, it has a power on button for the fan. It has a USB port right there to plug stuff in, like the light or other charging. Then on the bottom they have the micro USB, so you can actually charge things from micro USB right off the bat. This is the side that will go in. This is your fan, and it mounts onto the side of the main camping stove, which has these wonderful stable feet right here. I'm very impressed with the design. It's really built well. And this side is where the generator is going to mount. Basically, you're gonna put it in through the hole. It's gonna rest on this yellow part on the bottom. And then to lock it in, you're gonna extend the middle foot here. And that's what locks it in. Generator itself came somewhat charged, but they tell you to plug it in to a USB outlet just to get it charged, because you want that initial charge with the battery. So to get our stove started, we're actually going to use dryer lint, which is basically cotton, for a fire starter, and then we're going to add wood in once we get a good couple flames going on. Before we go out and start our fire, to control this unit, you can plug stuff into the USB outlet there. The power button's right here, and the more you push it, the higher the fan speed. And then this will show you how much energy it's getting from the fire. And to turn it off, you just hold that button down. We're gonna try a fire starter. I actually have this fire starter from a camping shovel that I recently reviewed. If you want to see the video of the camping shovel that I used that has this fire starter, which is excellent, look at a link in the description below and I'll leave it there. Let's try starting this fire. And there we go, the fire's starting. Try adding a couple sticks of wood. A little bit of wood just to get started. Alright, so I got the fire going, and as you can see on the left side has the light for how much fire we have in it, which isn't much right now. The fan is on speed 1 and the battery's about half full. So what I'm going to do to get this fire started is I'm going to push this button to get a full out fan, and it should help to stoke the fire. It's amazing. Look at that fire, Zach, huh?
Yeah.
Started a little easier than the regular camp stove, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And look at that fire grow with the Biolite fan operating. I think I'm going to add a stick or two of wood still. That's really pumping there. This is excellent. Cannot beat that. That is amazing. Look at that.
Nice. It's like a big fire.
It's a big fire.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get our cooking stuff. So I turned the fan speed down to 2 as we got the fire going. It's really going now. You can also see on the right that the green lights are moving up. That means it's actually charging from the heat. And on the left, it had a fire index, if you will, of 4 lights, which is how much it's burning. Look at that! Look at that fire burn. That is just the easiest camping stove fire I've ever done. So now that we got the fire going, we're going to put the Anima Miracle pan from the Anima Miracle cookware set that I reviewed in another video. If you'd like to see the link to that video, please look at the description below. I'll leave a link there. You notice that the pan will rest nicely on top of the Biolite camp stove. Put some hot dogs on there. And we're cooking hot dogs. We'll see how they go. And as you can see, the included Biolite Campstove 2 light does an excellent job lighting stuff up. So if you're cooking at night, you can clearly see what it is you are cooking. I'm going to turn these hot dogs a little bit, which are burning extremely hot. And I'm using the spork just to help me move it around. Now, another feature of the Biolite Campstove 2 is that if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you gotta charge your phone, you could actually charge it through the generator that they include. And I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm just gonna show you that you can plug devices into this to charge. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's clearly charging. It's at 71% right now, so it's doing an awesome job. Hot dogs are basically almost done. Alright, so we roasted some marshmallows on it, which came out very, very good. You can probably see it right there. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Cooked hot dogs, roasted marshmallows. So the Biolite Campstove 2, I'm going to be honest with you, this is probably the best camping stove I've seen so far. So, if you'd like to purchase your Biolite Campstove 2, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. If you like videos like this, or you like our videos in general, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. And we will see you and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.